What's up guys, my name is Joe and today we're doing an Amazon thing. I don't know how it happened, but I went down the rabbit hole. You know how things happen on YouTube, especially if you watch a lot of YouTube, you end up on rabbit holes, watching random videos you never thought you needed to see, videos you never even wanted to watch, and yet there you are watching a ton of content and you're like, how did I get here and why have I been here for the past 7 days? Anyways, I've seen a lot of videos of people buying like the highest rated stuff from Amazon, reviewing it, and you know what? The bells clicked. The bells clicked, the bells rang, the mine clicked. I don't know what the phrase is, but today we're gonna check out the top rated men's hair products on Amazon. We're gonna buy some stuff, get it in here, see what it's all about, you know, test it out and see, is it legit? Apologies for the background, by the way. I mean, look, we got a nice pole going up there, some miscellaneous stuff in the corner, a Tige box, Tige Hanley, it's good stuff. So I think first things first, let's go ahead. I've got the computer right here. Let's see what Amazon has to offer. What is the best in men's hair care that Amazon has to offer? Okay, so first things first, you need to go on Amazon. Boom, here we are. Now, what are we gonna do? Like all beauty and personal care, go ahead and see what that has to offer. We need to keep narrowing this down. So hair care, and then I wanna pick men's. Here we go, men's. And then from there, we're gonna click styling products. So featured is like more of a popular category, but I wanna start by going from average customer review. So like this is gonna be supposedly the best, right? The highest reviews, like the most amount of 5 stars, that's what we want to take a look at. Well, look at this, men's hair care product, very floral, all right? Times are changing, guys can have a floral hairbrush. I'm gonna put that on the back burner though. I wanna check out actual styling products. So the first one that comes up, Layrite Superhold Pomade with 112 reviews, 5 stars across the board. Look at that, no 1-star review. These are the best pomade compared to with others, okay? I trust this guy. He's a trustworthy guy. Pomade, and he's compared it to with others. I've tried Layrite before. I'm not sure if I've tried the Superhold, you know? I'm not buying a $37 product. It is 10.5 ounces though. Nah, it's not happening. I'm not getting a 10.5 ounce jar of Layrite. So let me see if I can find a smaller size. Layrite Superhold Pomade. Okay, interesting. The 4.25 ounce version is only 4.5 stars instead of 5. But you got a lot more reviews as well. It still came up. I'm gonna add it to the basket. We'll decide later if that's what we want to check out. I'm more interested in stuff that like I haven't really heard of before. Layrite's a pretty big brand, like 6-pack Gorilla Snot. That sounds, you know, quite appetizing. What's up with all of this like not good English? This gel is strong like a gorilla. It's strong. This gel, it's strong like a gorilla. If you use a lot of Gorilla Snot, you want to shampoo your hair twice to make sure you remove it. I don't want 6 of these. Okay, so it looks like I can either get a single one, but this one is prime, next day delivery. I'm all about next day delivery. So let's get 2. Okay, I have heard of this before. I've never tried it myself. From my understanding, it's like pretty much like a glue. So if you want your hair stuck, I'm not a big fan of, but you know, don't knock it till you try it. Okay, next up we got Joico Ice Hair Erratic Molding Clay Unisex for Men. I've actually used a long time ago the Joico Spiker. It's this one over here, which is kind of like a glue as well. I don't remember if I've ever used the clay. I don't think I have, and if I have, it would have been years and years ago. I'm all about trying out, finding out new clays. Let's add it to the basket, Let's add it to the basket. Let's find some interesting stuff like this. Magic Move Soft Yellow. That's expensive, $28.90. That's 4.2 ounces. I'd rather go for the 1.7 ounce for $18. What is it? I have no idea. I am not so good at styling my hair and still getting used to making the right use. I saw Molly Sims advertising, so I ordered it. 4 stars. 4 out of 5 stars. I saw someone else say something about it, so I bought it. 4 out of 5 stars. I don't know what this is. Magic Move Soft Yellow. Let's check it out. But the 1.7 ounce only has 3.5 stars, whereas the 4.2 has 5 stars. Either way, it was in the top rated. Let's check it out. Okay. All right. Let's look a little bit more, okay? Defy, Struct. I've heard good things about the Defy brand before. Again, I don't think I've ever used it. It's actually pretty good price, $11 for 5.3 ounces, 4.5 stars, 603 ratings. It's a medium hold molding cream with low shine. I'm gonna stick to that If it doesn't stick to what it says, I'm gonna let you know about it. Add it to the cart? Sure. I'll revisit the cart and decide later. I think I'm just gonna pick one more. Otherwise, I'll be testing products for weeks, and I'm not interested in that. Let's try to find something a little unique. I will open up some tabs and we'll decide together, okay? Even though you can't make a decision, we can pretend. I'm not looking to spend all this money, let me tell you. But this is John Sahag Air Power Hair Spray 2-pack robot. I am John Sahag Air Power Hairspray. It sounds like it's just a hairspray for $62. No thanks, I'm not even gonna consider it. Oh, okay. Look at this container. We got 1,411 views. Kenra Platinum Texturizing Taffy. Sculpting Fiber Cream. You know what? I've never used it. I'm guessing that this is gonna be lightweight. I bet I already know what the consistency is. Let's pick this product. I'm gonna give you what I think it is now, and then when we review it, we'll see if I was right. Okay, so this is called a Texturizing Taffy. It says it's a sculpting fiber cream. My guessing it's gonna be kind of putty-like in consistency, a little bit, I don't know, not fibrous, but kind of like, what do you call it? Kind of liquidy, like a liquid cream consistency, okay? I bet it's going to be really easy to apply. I bet it's going to give me a little bit of control, but not much hold. And I bet at the end of the day, for my thick hair, I'm not gonna like it that much, but it might prove me wrong. Let's go ahead and add it to the cart. And we've got a pretty good variety. Let's just get all of this, and we'll come back when this stuff gets in.
4 to 6 days later.
All right, guys, I'm back. Our box of goodies has arrived, which I guess you actually can't really see, so I'll take it out. We got the Destruct. We've got the Gorilla Snot, which, oh my gosh, these are way bigger than I was expecting. Big head size for comparison. I've got the purple shampoo in, by the way. I'm trying to maintain my color. If you guys are confused about the purple shampoo situation, you can check out this video right here. That's where I go more into depth. But yes, I had to get these in a pack of 2. So I have a surplus amount of Gorilla Snot. This stuff is gonna last me for years to come. We got the Layrite Superhold Pomade. I've used Layrite stuff before. I have never used the Superhold Pomade. This is the Joico, the clay. And then this is the Magic Move Yellow, what's it? Magic Move Soft. I've read through this. I still don't really know what this is. There's a chance this is made for like black people hair type as well. I'm not really sure. Like, it looks like a normal product. I don't know, we'll test it out. We'll get into it later on. There's a kitty cat. That's Mr. Sven, newest family member. I'll bring him over here in a sec. Forget what this one is called. That's right, it's the Kenra Platinum Texturizing Taffy Sculpting Fiber Cream. Boom, that is, wow, that is probably some of the fanciest packaging I have seen. There could be diamonds in here, you'd never know. Lid, whoa, all right, I was not expecting that. This is purple, it smells very sweet. This smells like taffy, like you could probably eat this. You could probably die, but you could eat it. Slide these over, let me show you the cat. Mr. Sven, come over here for a second. This is Sven. These are people, okay? They're looking at you. This is a Maine Coon. Stop eating the flowers. So this is a Maine Coon cat. He's 3 months old. He's gonna be a giant. His dad weighs 25 pounds. And he's gonna be super fluffy. And he's currently eating Dinty's Valentine roses. Say goodbye to the people. With that said, let's go try this stuff out. My plan is to pre-style all of these hairstyles with Original by BluMaan, get my hair a little bit in the air, get that foundation, and I'm gonna be throwing in some cloud control because I got that platinum hair. My hair is definitely dry. Cloud control is gonna help just smooth it out a little bit. So these are the foundations. As of now, this is the plan of what I'm gonna be doing. Let's get the hair into the air and let's get product testing. So normally I would have applied the cloud control first, but I forgot. Cloud control coming in second. Doesn't really matter too much, it's just kind of a habit. Boom, we are in position. Foundation, it's looking good. All right, so the first one that I wanna try out is this one that looks like it could have diamonds inside. This is the Texturizing Taffy. Kind of interesting, it intrigues me. It's purple, interesting consistency, smells like you could eat it, probably shouldn't. So on Amazon, this has 4.5 stars and 1,448 reviews. I have never heard of this stuff before. That's a lot of reviews. That's pretty good rating. So let's go ahead and test this out. I've never used any of these, so this is a first time. All right, so I'm gonna start with this much. You guys remember my prediction for this? Quick flashback. My guessing is gonna be kind of putty-like in consistency, a little bit kind of liquidy, like a liquid cream. Really easy to apply. I bet it's going to give me a little bit of control, but not much hold. Pretty accurate so far. Going through the hair, really easy. And I also said I wasn't going to be, I was predicting that I wasn't going to be very satisfied with the hold. Application is a breeze. I am suspicious on if this hairstyle is going to last. I don't think it will. We're going to have to come back and see. All right, guys, so it's been about two and a half hours since I put in that putty stuff. Throughout the 2 hours that it's been in my hair, I have been kind of retouching it, putting it back in place. I haven't touched it for a bit, and you can see with my thick hair, it has poofed out a little bit. I would like if it stayed a little bit more tamed. It seems like people who are buying this are liking that lighter hold. So I will say, is it gonna be a go-to product for me? Probably not, but it worked actually better than I expected, and my hair is still volumized at the end of the day. All right, guys, so moving right along, next up we are gonna try this Mako de Gorilla Snot Gel. I gotta say, this is some of the most bizarre packaging that I've seen. This is clearly a product that's marketed towards kids. It's called Gorilla Snot. It looks and feels disgusting. Oh my gosh, it's so disgusting. It's nasty. It feels gross. In the spirit of things, let's get nice and spiky, right? This is what the kids do. Wow, so cool. Come on. We need a little bit more spike action going on, at least up here in the front. So we get a nice glob right up front. That's better. That's what we were expecting. That's what we paid the big bucks for, the pyramid. So there you go. I mean, it's still wet, but I know that if this dries, my hair's not moving. If this is the look you're going for, have no fear. Gorilla Snot is here to help. Quick update, 10 minutes later, that second dose definitely did the trick. Good stuff, I guess. This is gonna be the last one for today because I need to give my hair a break. I'm already not supposed to be washing my hair all that often with this new coloring, okay? So I'm breaking all the rules just for you guys. We have some questions that need answering. So final round through with some Original by BluMaan. Honestly, guys, Original is such a fantastic pre-styler. Every time I use it, man, I get the results that I need. So on Amazon, this yellow one has 29 reviews, 5 stars across the board. 4.9 out of 5 stars. That's pretty, it sounds pretty good. It feels very soft. It feels kind of like a thick butter. So let's see. I do like how it feels, I will say. Not much of a scent. Smells kind of chemically. Smells pretty unscented. Breakdown and application, smooth as butter. Goes through effortlessly. Really nice to apply. I can feel it thickening up a little bit, ever so slightly. It's still easy to run my fingers through. I mean, it's holding pretty well so far. It's one of those products, again, I'll be kind of curious to see how it holds up to. So I'm gonna leave this in my hair for a little bit. Initial result is very nice, looking pretty good, but we'll see. I'll come back in a little bit and let you know. All right, guys, so final update for the day. What is it? Magic Move Soft has been in my hair for a little over an hour. I would say that this product is most similar to that Texturizing putty that we tested out first, but I think it's actually better. But it's definitely not bad, and between the two, the Magic Move Soft is definitely the way to go. Good morning. Just finished up a workout. What's in my hair is still from yesterday. It's that yellow stuff. I ended up liking that yellow stuff a little bit more than I thought I would. It actually held up pretty well, but I'm gonna get back, get showered, test out the next stuff. You know what's really nice? I hear that you have a lovely song for us. Nobody knows the trouble I've been through. This is how we don't get work done. Thank you, it's quite enough. Nobody knows the sorrow. It's enough. All right, my mamba jambas. We've got 2 more to get through, the DeFi Destruct and the Layrite Superhold. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this DeFi Destruct, which says it's a medium hold molding cream with low shine. Beautiful. Medium hold, I'll keep it in mind. It is a little similar to the first one that we tried out, but it's not as goopy. It's a little bit easier to scoop out. So it smells all right. Okay, geez. There's the kit. You know, most products are gonna work as soon as you put them through the hair. So really the test is with the test of time. We're gonna see how it's holding up probably over the next hour or so. Initial thoughts, it was pretty easy to get through my hair, a little bit more tuggy than the first one that we tried out, kind of similar. Pretty good amount of texture. I would say definitely a medium hold right now. My question is it going to be able to control my poof throughout as time goes on? Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes, and I will say, you know, there must be a reason for these products getting pretty good reviews, because again, for this one, I'm pretty pleasantly surprised, especially with it being kind of like that putty consistency. I usually don't have good success with those. This one is keeping my hair under control, and actually that texture that I'm able to get out of it is living up. You know, it's staying there. And texture can be one of those, like the first things to go once a product starts to dwindle a little bit. So yeah, I'll say good props to this one. I like it. Joe, BluMaan, he likes the product. This is the Layrite Superhold pomade. I haven't used this before. It looks like a pretty standard water-based pomade. I am guessing this is gonna go through my hair and then it's gonna start firming up. So that was one scoop. This is now scoop number 2. I was gonna say it smells really good, but it smells all right. It smells a little bit like Play-Doh. Now, most of you guys know that I'm usually not the biggest fan of water-based pomades, like traditional water-based pomades, because I don't like the fact that it freezes your hair up, but I know some people do like that. So the reason why this one will have the good reviews that it does is because it'll do a good job at freezing your hair in place. So I'm gonna try and comb it into something respectable and see how it holds up. I can make this look a little bit better if I wanted to, but I'm not spending the time. Doesn't matter. All in all, let's see how it holds up. And this brings us to the conclusion. So yes, I've had the Layrite in my hair now for a bit. It's frozen in place. It's done what it's supposed to do. It's not my favorite type of hair product or hairstyle, but it's done what it was designed to do. So, you know, anyways, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm missing one. 6, we can't forget the Magic Move Soft in the yellow container. So I'm gonna try and rank them. Some of them are like in different categories. So for example, I don't really wanna give this stuff a ranking. Pretty gross, meant for younger kids. I will say I've tried the Joico glue many years ago, and I think the Joico one might be a little better. That's what I'm gonna say about this. Same with the Layrite. They don't really fall under this category as the rest of these products. Now, as for these, we can rank these. Now, the Texturizing Taffy, the DeFi Destruct, and the Magic Move Soft all fall under a very similar category. They all kind of feel and perform in a similar way. And then we've got the clay, which we can throw in here as well. So from worst to best, in last place, we have the Texturizing Taffy. Too goopy, too hard to take out. The results, they just don't last very long, in my opinion, stacking up to this other stuff. Second worst, unfortunately, I wanted to like it more than I did, is the erratic molding clay. Especially for clay, clays are my favorite hair styling product of choice. This one just went floofy throughout the day. It lost its hold. It already doesn't have a lot of clay in there in the first place. So it's gonna be a pass on me on the erratic molding clay. Still better than the Texturizing Taffy. For these last two, these two are fairly interchangeable, actually. They both worked better than expected, especially this Magic Move Soft, because I just never heard of this, and I was pretty happy with the performance. I got decent results from both of them. I think that the Magic Move will last in my hair a little bit longer than the DeFi Destruct, but the DeFi Destruct did give me a good amount of texture, probably the best texture from the lot here. So I'm gonna put the DeFi in third place and Magic Move Soft, the unexpected winner of the best products on Amazon. Congratulations, you win. That's the end.